Hi guys, this is John with Apollo Sprayers. Today I'm really excited to introduce to you the all-new black edition of our 7700 Atomizer spray gun. Still comes with all of the same features that you guys have come to know and love from the original version that we introduced back in 2007 that won us the Sequoia Award at the AWFS Fair. So the same features, but we've now added new slick other features to it as well. So you have the all-new black matte head, which has a scratch-resistant finish on it. We've added fan control indicator marks here, so now you can replicate your fan sizes very easily by looking at the indication marks on the side of the gun. And we've made a few internal changes as well, which not only change some of the frustrating features like our fan control distributor plate here, where it used to have the 2 slots and 2 holes, which you could put in backwards. Now we have 4 slots with 1 hole, and allows it to be going either way, so you can't put that in backwards anymore. And then we also have a new feature where we've upgraded the valve bushing, and now the valve bushing is much more resilient as well, so less frustrating when you need to maintain the gun. Much easier to do. So some great new features. You guys should check it out. It's on our website and available for sale now. Check it out at hvlp.com.